guys, welcome to Playtime Kids. Today we're gonna open some Scoob toys. And Scooby-Doo is an old classic, and they release some new Scooby-Doo toys. And usually I show you some old toys, but now we're gonna open some new toys that they just released. And these toys look awesome. We even have a Scooby-Doo van that makes sounds and it has light. And right here you can see that big button. You click it, it will make sounds and turn on the lights. Click it again, and it makes like car sounds, which is really cool, and I like that. So today we're gonna open it. And also I'm here with my friend Skeleton Man. He's just chilling there. So this first pack is Nick Dastardly and Super Scoob, and if you watch the Scoob movie, then Nick Dastardly is the villain in the movie. So Scooby has his super suit, in which he got that super suit from Blue Falcon, and he's a hero, which we're gonna open that next. The villain, and he has a lot of detail into him. Usually the new toys that they make don't have that much detail, but these toys, they have a lot of detail. So first he has this gas bomb right here. And he can move his legs. This is Scooby. It looks really cool and awesome. So next we're gonna open Blue Falcon and Muttley. And Blue Falcon is the good guy and Muttley is the bad dog, and he belongs to Dick Dastardly. That he has a nice leather, nice detail cape, and it also goes up. This is really cool too because he can also move his knees. He's a nice character, looks very awesome. I like it. So this is Muttley and he's the bad dog. like a robot dog. They're all very nice. And they all have... You can also open the doors. Put it this way. Here's in there. So they can just... doors. And you can put your character...